Hello friends, I show you how to draw a road longitudinal section and cross-section in Auto CAD using CSS Program. First open the Excel, then enter the level field measurement in Level Sheet. Type LHS sides always negative offsets, and RHS sides positive. Then reduce the level rise or fall method following function. Sample level sheet link is in below description download. Prepare DAT type file for draw longitudinal section. Copy all changes and paste the values. Then, copy levels of changes and paste the values in the next column. Select both, copy and paste, transpose. Type in front the heading LS. Select and copy the transpose values with heading LS. The heading is very important. Open a notepad and paste the values. And save location in your computer in .dat file format. Select all levels and offsets and copy, and paste the another columns and values. Delete unnecessary level values, example, changing points, etc. Change the level values column to next of the offsets values column. Select the offsets and levels data by change-wise. Sort lowest to highest, using sort A to Z in the sort and filter. Then, copy and paste, transpose. Follow this all changes step by step. Type the heading in front, change values to all. Arrange and copy all values and paste the notepad and save in your computer in .dat file type. I show you how to install CSS Program in your computer. I give the link below description for download CSS Program. Copy the CSS AutoCAD dialog definition type file and paste the AutoCAD folder in the program file in C drive. I show you how to draw a longitudinal section. First, open the AutoCAD and set the units in meter and change the font. Usually I use Arial font for the drawings. Then go to Manage tab, click Load Application button, select LS, Auto LISP Application Source, LSP type file in the CSS Program folder and click Load and Close. Check LSP successfully loaded. Type CSS in command, then press Enter. Then select data file LS.DAT type file and click OK. Enter a suitable datum as per your drawing. Then click OK and click the AutoCAD viewport and click Zoom All. Delete unnecessary items and arrange. Save a suitable location and close the AutoCAD file. This is very important step. I show how to draw cross-sections in one click. Open the save file already. We draw longitudinal section. Then go to Manage, click Load Application. Select and open CSS.100 file from CSS Program folder already downloaded. Then click Load and Close. Check CSS.100. LSP file successfully loaded. Type CSS in command. Select and open data file, CS.DAT type file. Click OK and type suitable datum as per your drawing, then click OK. Then click 1 by 1 in Auto CAD viewport, all changes. Delete unnecessary items and arrange. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Next video, I show you how take filling measurement from design level and calculate filling volume using AutoCAD and Excel. Thank you.